I'm here with Doug Schmidt, the president of Virginia Transportation, and I'm Jeff Baker, the director of maintenance. We are here this morning to choose our 24-25 Pride in Your Ride Grand Prize winner from the 20 quarterly winners that we've had over the last 12 months.
This is my first Pride in Your Ride event. I'm very excited about drawing the winner. I want to thank all of our auto haulers out there for everything they do, all the sacrifices on the road. Keep up the great work. Thank you. Let's get started and let's pick a winner.
Excellent.
Great. There we
I'll
go.
read off the names individually as we stick them in the hat. Kenneth Tyler, Elia Tukany, Sean Milcheski, Tony Marlette, Jason Farmer, Claudio Miguel, Steve Dean, Brian Meyer, William Vargas, Bolivar Maldonado Curiel, William Vargas again, two-time winner this season, Tyler DeRojas, John Hicks, Dwayne Haskins, Cleavon Perry, Dwayne Haskins again, another two-time winner this year, Mike Mellon, Terry Linder, Jorge Carrera, and last but not least,
Januel
Ortiz. We will now choose one winner out of the hat.
Let me give it a good shake here. Jeff, you want to do the honors?
I will do the honors. Brian Meyer from the Midwest Canada region is our grand prize winner. Congratulations, Brian. We appreciate everything you do, and your truck looks phenomenal day in and day out, and it shows.
Thank you, Brian. We really appreciate you.
Brian, he came to us with a lot of experience.
Right.
He went into a brand new truck, and he kept that truck spotless and perfect for the life.
Awesome.
We had to drag him out of the truck. The only reason why we could get him into a new truck is because we duplicated the colors that he had.
Okay, that's awesome. That's great.
Give me a call.
Hey Jeff, how are you?
I'm doing very well, Brian. How are you today?
Good.
You are on speaker. I am here with Doug Schmidt, our president of Virginia, and we are reaching out to congratulate you as you are the grand prize winner this year for Pride in Your Ride.
No you're kidding me.
Yeah,
Really?
absolutely. Congratulations, Brian.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
I love your response. That's awesome.
Well, I'm from Jersey, so I could have said something worse, but
Oh no, I love it. I love the excitement in your voice. That's great. That's great. We're definitely excited for you. And Jeff, you want to kind of explain what he won?
Yeah, so as you know, as a grand prize winner, we'll trick out your truck with options that you choose. I mean, we have a budget to work within, lots of options that we can do, specialty lighting and/or chrome. It's really your chance to personalize your truck even that much more.
Oh, okay, great. That's awesome. Thank you. I was kind of speechless in a way. Wasn't expecting this, that's for sure. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, and we appreciate everything you do, Brian.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Take care, Brian, and be safe out there, okay?
All right, thank you guys.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
All right.
You too.
Bye now.
Bye-bye.
That's a wrap.